Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you download Warzone 3 on PC. To download Warzone 3 on PC, you just need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you have to do is you want to first of all go to this link, that is callofduty.com/Warzone. And here on this page, you want to tap on the try bar icon, and then you want to go ahead and locate code Warzone mobile, or you want to go ahead and click on code Warzone. Once you're taken to this official page of the Warzone, what next you have to do is you will be able to find a lot of options. So you just have to make sure to scroll down a bit and you can find battle.net. So here you want to go ahead and make sure to click on battle.net, and you have to install it from the battle.net. So at the top right hand side corner, you want to click on download battle.net, or it's going to be automatically. Once it is downloaded completely, you want to open the file location, and here it is. You want to double click onto it and run the installation just like this, and click the run button. After you've done it, so select the particular language that you're comfortable with and click on the yes button. As you've done it, so it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to download it. So here as well, make sure to tap on the continue button, after which you'll be asked to log in with your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and simply log in with my Google account, after which click on yes login, and then you'll be asked to type in the prompt, or you'll be directly taken to this next field. So after you're logged into your account, then what next you need to do is on the search box, you want to go ahead and locate Warzone, and then click on the install button. Once you've installed it, so run the installation and all that, and you'll be able to download Warzone 3 on PC. So that is the way you can do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.